Hey there, makeup freaks, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a makeup look using a IPSY goodie bag, courtesy to my sister. I love you, thank you for the little goodie. Before I get started, I want to go ahead and apologize. I know that I've been MIA. I didn't record Saturday because I did get my second dose on Friday, so I was feeling under the weather. I kind of felt like I was having a bad hangover. And on Wednesday, I developed an infection on my nose. If you notice in my previous videos, I was wearing a different nose ring. I was wearing more of a ring. So I ended up developing an infection and my nose was swollen. So it was not cute. I was not able to put makeup on it. But now I'm fine. I changed it again. So now we are going to keep uploading as usual. Let me show you what I have in this cute little bag. All right, so this bag is from IPSY, like I mentioned, and inside we have Eleman Beauty, and this one is a eyeshadow, and it's a Lilac Sky and a Breezy eyeshadow duo. And then the next one is going to be a EcoFabulous blush. This is made out of recyclable products. So if you notice, I can take this out and it is a piece of cardboard on there. Pretty colors. We have a mascara from Pure, and this one is called Fully Charged. A eyeliner from MAKIAGE. I think that's how it's said. I'm sorry guys if I butcher that. And then we have a eyeshadow, a liquid eyeshadow from Crystal Fusion. If you guys notice, I already have my face done, and this is just literally, we're gonna concentrate on the blush. The highlighter, I am going to use, the eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Breezy color, which is more of the white color, as a highlighter. I'm going to be using the liquid eyeshadow as eyeshadow. So we're just gonna focus on highlighting, blush, and eye makeup.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay, so we're gonna start off with the liquid eyeshadow, and we are going to lay on the lid. Oh, ooh, that is pretty. Do you guys see that? Wow. Okay.
Wow.
Super cute color. Voila, pretty eyeshadow. This one is, what color is this? Well, I guess this is the color, it's the Crystal Fusion. That's the color of the eyeshadow. So this one is from Kokie. Okay, let's go ahead and let's try this eyeliner. And this eyeliner is in color black, and it is a felt eyeliner. Let's go ahead and do a little tiny wing. Oh, I like this. This is nice. Look how easily it glides on the lid. And you can get it down to the lash line. See that? Ooh, yes. Get it, girl. Get it. All right, let's connect our tail. Ooh, look at that. We could cut someone with that wing. Hello, wing. Wing. No wing. Wing. Which one looks better? You could do both looks. Wing no wing. All right, let's do the other eye. All right, let's fix this eyeliner. Don't you just hate when they don't come out the same? But it's okay, because you can fix it with concealer. Voila. Okay, let's continue. Now we're going to use our Pure Fully Charged Mascara. And this is a cruelty-free, gluten-free, and vegan-friendly. Look at that mascara. It gives it a really nice lift. Look at the difference. Really nice. You wouldn't even have to wear eyelashes if you wanted to with this look. Let's go ahead and put lashes on off camera. Okay, now we're back. Now that we are done with our eyes, let's go ahead and grab our blush. And this one is in color Camellia. Oh, that's pretty. It's a very pretty color. Let's not forget the nose. Okay, keep a note with this. A little goes a long way. If you notice, I did both of my sides and my nose, and I still have a lot of product on my brush. So a little, don't overdo it with the blush. All right, let's move on to our eyeshadow from Eleman Beauty, and we are going to use the Breeze, which is this lighter color. And we're going to be using it as a highlighter, and I'm going to be using my Morphe brush to apply it. And that is my look using the IPSY products. I really do enjoy them. Few things I probably won't do again. I'm pretty sure I won't use this eyeshadow as a highlighter. It's very messy and I didn't like the color on my cheeks, so let's keep that as an eyeshadow. But it's very pretty. It does tend to fall out a lot, so be sure not to put so much on your brush, but they're very, very pretty colors. Like I mentioned, this one is from Eleman Beauty, and this one is the Lilac Sky and Breezy eyeshadow duo. The blush I do like as well. This one is the EcoFabulous in Camellia, and this is the same thing. It has a lot of fallout, as you can see. Very pretty color, but just make sure you put a little bit of product because it is a lot. If you notice, I did have a lot on my brush, but it's very pretty, very creative that it's a recyclable packaging. I can't talk. The mascara I do like from Pure. I probably will buy it again if I got the chance to. It's not one of my top, but it is very pretty. It does not clump your eyelashes, so I did like that. It's not waterproof, so that one was a downside, but it's still very pretty. The liquid eyeshadow I love, love, love. This is very pretty. This one is from Kokie and it's called Crystal Fusion. That is the color. Very pretty. Let me show you guys on my hand. Very pretty color. So this one you'll see me use again. This one is a very beautiful summer color, so expect more videos with this. The eyeliner, I really liked it. It's very precise. I was able to get into the inner corner very nicely, and I was able to get it down to the lash line. It's harder with a lot of other eyeliners, so this one right now is one of my top favorite ones. And that is all the products that came on the IPSY. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, be sure to if you are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and share with your friends. If you leave me a comment down below saying you have subscribed, I will get back to you as soon as I can. I post up every Wednesday and Saturdays at 2 p.m. Be sure to check me out on my Instagram. I love you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.